Cooking with Randy.
Hi, I'm Randy, and this is Cooking with Randy. Hi, Randy. Now, today I have a special surprise guest for you. He's a master chef all the way from Chicago. Please welcome Chef Farley. How to do, Randy? Hey, how to do there, Chef Farley? All right, now I understand you prepared some of your special dishes for us.
That's right, Randy. Now, a little birdie told me that you have a special kind of hankering for chocolate.
Well, yes. You might say that I enjoy chocolate.
Well, then feast your eyes on this little baby right here. How do you like this one, Randy?
Be still my chocolate heart.
This here's a 7-layer chocolate cake with a chocolate mousse center covered in chocolate icing.
It is lovely, Chef Farley. You know, the only thing I might add would be just a little bit more.
Well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird. Surfing.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Papa uma mau mau, 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 papa uma mau mau.